And Josie, make sure you copy Steve on that email.
What did I say about leaving your toys on the stairs? Everything's fine, honey.
I'll call you later. Great. Another successful client call, not at all disrupted by loud, obnoxious sounds. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Thanks for nothing. Those flimsy felt panels were never going to work. To be effective, you practically have to cover the entire wall, and the more you add, the uglier it looks. I thought about fabric-wrapped panels, but they're hard to clean and they tear easily.
I've done the research, Joe, and things are not as they appear. Exhibit A. Hard to clean? Of course it is. Tears easy? Oh, geez. Oh, boy. Exhibit B.
Okay.
Foam is great for beds, but not so great when it's hanging on a wall. Staring at these things for hours on end can drive anyone completely crazy.
Sorry about that, hon. We tried it all. We even called an acoustic consultant, but the cost of an architect and custom design was beyond our budget. Noise isn't going anywhere, and if you think a little background noise during a video conference is frustrating, try muting your husband's leaf blower during a romantic movie. The movie he was supposed to be watching.
Hey! What's on carpeting too?
Thankfully, I found Timber Sound planks. Timber Sound are easy to install real wood planks, engineered with patented micro-perfection acoustic absorption. And ordering them is as easy as ordering groceries or books.
Or shoes. You order a lot of shoes.
Timber Sound planks come in a variety of beautiful finishes. Your room will sound great and look even better. Just order the 8-foot planks and cut them to size on site.
Wait, are you letting me use the saw?
No, that's okay. I got this.
Timber Sound planks create the perfect acoustics for my sports podcast. The proprietary micro-perfection technology is barely visible, and it's significantly more effective than felt, foam, or fiber alternatives. Regular season numbers don't exactly tell the whole story. What is football?
Add elegance with Timber Sound planks, which can easily be mounted to walls and ceilings and enjoy clarity in any room, especially the hub of activity, like the kitchen, where our family gathers, as well as hosts lively dinner parties. Because let's be honest, before Timber Sound planks, it wasn't so... You know? The planks are perfect for echoing spaces with hard surfaces, but Timber Sound also works very well to clear up innocent, more quiet forms of sound. Like, I understand that
Patrick Mahomes isn't just poised to have a good season, but a historic one!
But I don't need to hear Jack talk about it every day through the walls. And you'll get true quality and clarity in the quietest moments when you don't want to miss a thing.
She just loves him for who he really is.
We had our Timber Sound planks shipped to our doorstep in days instead of weeks, and had them installed in no time. The surface is easy to clean and beautiful, all while being durable and more effective than competing products. Now I can actually hear my coworkers in video calls. Except for Steve. Steve doesn't enunciate.
This quarter, we're excited to stand.
Be the envy of friends and coworkers with luxurious real wood planks that eliminate poor acoustics. Noise is everywhere. I'm making it work for me.